Hello friends, concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, aggregate and water which hardens with time. When we change the proportion of these components, the strength of concrete changes accordingly. Just take the case of building. In building, various structural elements are there like footing, columns, beams, slabs, etc. Depending on type and height of building, the strength of concrete required for constructing these elements changes. So it is necessary to choose the correct grade of concrete for constructing a structure. Grade of concrete is nothing but a strength of concrete of that particular mix. That is mixture of cement, sand, aggregate and water in 28 days. Grade of concrete is denoted by M and M stands for mix. For example, for M5 grade, the mix proportion is 1:5:10, where 1 is the ratio of cement, 5 is the ratio of sand and 10 is the ratio of coarse aggregate based on volume or weight of materials. At least 3 concrete cubes of 150 by 150 by 150 mm are casted for each mix at 27 degrees Celsius and they are tested in a laboratory at 28 days. Its mean strength is calculated at 28 days and that is the strength of concrete for that particular mix. Now the question is, why 28 days? Why not 20 or 40? This table shows the compressive strength of concrete with its age. Here you can see concrete achieves 40% strength in 3 days, 90% in 14 days and 99% strength in 28 days. So it is clear that concrete gains strength rapidly in initial days after casting, that is 90% in only 14 days, and after that concrete gains only 9% strength in next 14 days. So rate of gain of strength decreases. Since concrete gains 99% strength in 28 days, so it's almost close to its final strength. And that's why we use this strength as the base for our design and evaluation. Now coming back to grades of concrete, this table shows the proportion of cement, sand, aggregate and water in different grades of concrete. For M5 grade, the mix proportion is 1:5:10 and quantity of water required shall be 60 liters. In the same way, you can see the mix proportions of other grades of concrete up to M25. Up to M25, a nominal mix can be made which shall be used for small scale construction where concrete consumption is not high. But for M30 and above grades, design mix should be used. Here you can see as the strength of concrete increases, the cement content is constant in proportion, but sand, aggregate and water content are reducing. So if you add more water to the concrete, the strength of concrete decreases and vice versa. One more thing I have observed, in most of the cases, the concrete grade of foundation and columns will be more than slabs and beams. Please note that this is not the general rule. That's why I said in most of the cases. Reason number 1 is foundations and columns are compression members, whereas beams and slabs are tensile members. Reason number 2 is the load shall be transferred from slabs to beams, beams to columns, and columns to foundations. And the third reason is it's economical to reduce the grade of concrete for slabs and beams. So friends, I hope you have understood the different grades of concrete and their uses.